In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to transfer Spotify playlist to Apple Music. Let's get started. First, launch your App Store. Now search for the app SongShift and then download it. After you download the app, launch it. Now we need to connect both services. Start with Apple Music, tap on it, press continue and allow access so it can connect properly. After that, scroll down and select Spotify, then tap open and sign in to connect your account. Once both accounts are connected, you will be brought back to the main screen. From here, tap continue and then get started. Now go to Shift tab at the bottom and tap plus icon to create a new transfer. Choose Spotify as the source where your playlist is coming from, then select the playlist you want to move. Next, choose Apple Music as the destination. After that, tap Start Shift. The app will now scan and match your songs and you will be able to review everything before confirming. Once you are happy with the matches, confirm the transfer. Finally, open the Apple Music app and go to your playlist. You should now see your transferred Spotify playlist there, and that's it. This is how you can easily transfer Spotify playlist to Apple Music. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.